Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to find secret conversation on Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. A secret conversation on Messenger is a special type of chat that offers an enhanced level of privacy and security. These conversations are encrypted end-to-end, meaning only the sender and recipient can read the messages. Even Facebook cannot access the content. You can also set messages to disappear after a certain period, ranging from 5 seconds to 1 day. This adds an extra layer of privacy, as the messages will be automatically deleted once the timer expires. To find secret or end-to-end encrypted conversations on Messenger. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. Now, browse your chat list and locate the specific conversation containing the secret message you're interested in viewing. Then, tap on the specific message within the conversation to view its details. After opening the normal chat conversation screen, tap on your friend's name or tap on the eye icon from the top of the screen. Now, scroll down until you see the secret conversation and tap on Go to the secret conversation under More Actions. After that, your end-to-end encrypted messages are opened on the screen. Here you can find your old and recent secret conversations by scrolling if you have not deleted them before. Remember that, if you have enabled disappearing messages, your messages are automatically removed after a certain period of time and cannot be viewed. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below.